animation for thrillers. Animation highlighting people. Advanced pie chart animation. Animation for showcasing articles. Background person animation. Roadmap on stages animation. Hanging up animation. Search template animation. Article highlight animation. And glowing body effects. So, today's video will cover all these effects. It's going to be very interesting, so get comfortable and enjoy the video. First, watch the intro by Gro Rothy. Have you watched it? Today, we will learn how to create this type of intro using a mobile. To do this, we will open InShot. In there, add 4 to 5 images related to your documentary. After adding the images, click on the canvas and then click Apply on the canvas. Then select one image from them. Click on the timeline icon and adjust its duration to 1.2 seconds. Then, click on Apply All. After doing all this, add transitions between these images. For this, click on this icon between the 2 images. After that, select the transition from the 7th position in the list. Add these transitions one by one between all the images. After completing these steps, your intro will be ready. Wow. First, watch this animation. You won't find this breakdown anywhere else on YouTube. Well, your brother here will teach you how to create it too. To create this, we will open any video editing application, and there, add any image. For now, I've added this video's thumbnail. Next, go to the overlay options and add a black background, then neatly set it on the screen. In the mask section, select the circular mask and adjust it over the body part you want to highlight. For now, I have shaped the circle like this. After all this, click on this option. And click here to adjust its smoothness as well. Now, we will precisely adjust this shape on the body. After doing all this, we'll come back here and go into the blend options to slightly reduce its opacity. Now, we will animate this shape a bit.